How to combine videos on TikTok. So if you want to combine videos on TikTok, then first of all you need to open up your TikTok application, and then after opening, now you can go for the bottom, which has that 5 options, right? So you can simply go to the middle option, which has that plus icon. Tap on that, and from here you can simply choose 15 seconds or 60 seconds or 10 minutes, anything that you would like. And then you can simply go for upload, which is on the bottom right, and from here you can choose multiple videos. Like you can simply tap on that circle, which is on the upper right side of that video, and then you can simply combine the videos. You can simply choose 2 to 3 videos or more than that, and then simply tap on next, which is on the bottom right. And that's it. That's how you combine videos. And now you can simply tap on next, which is on the bottom right, and you can add some captions, or you can tag people, or you can edit the privacy. And that's it. Now you can simply tap on post, and your videos will be posted. So that's it. That's how you combine multiple videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.